Hello again, everybody. This is a video for Trend Capture Day Trading System for the trade date of August 12th, 2010. This system has been on a tear. Today it's settled down a little bit, and for educational purpose it's perfect. And I'm going to show you as we go through here exactly why it is perfect. The very first trade on the day was a long at 29.60, and from that trigger to the high was 16 ticks. Moving over here to our next trade was a short at 4:57 a.m. at 128.64, and that was a nice move, very nice move. From the short trigger to the low was 30 ticks, so very nice. Okay, here we've got a couple things going on. You see right here, system said go long, but the very next bar was down. That's an emergency exit. We don't ask any questions, we just get out. Sure, it went up here eventually, but so many times have I seen a trigger and then a next bar down that the trade goes south. So we don't even argue with that. So that emergency exit was a loss of 2 ticks per contract. Very minimal. I keep saying this, but it's one of the reasons that I like this system so much, is that the risk is very, very minimal. Very tight stops. Eventually you did get long at 28.20. Next bar over after the emergency exit. And that was 8 ticks from the trigger to the high. Here another really nice move at 7:43 a.m. A short at 28.15, and that was 33 ticks from trigger to the low. So another really nice move. Now it starts to calm down from here. You can see here, you get to my blue line here, it tells me to stop. Okay. See here we had a long, next bar was down, emergency exit. Loss of 1 tick per contract. Once again, you know, it would have been a profitable trade, but that's irrelevant. When we see that formation and it says take the emergency exit, take it. Okay, another long here at 28.13 from the trigger to the high, that was 10 ticks. We have another emergency exit right here. Now here is case in point. Said to go long here. Next bar was down, so we got out at a loss of 1 tick per contract, and the market just went south. So this is why I follow those emergency exits religiously. Same here. We had a short at 27.92. Next bar was up, so we took the emergency exit. That was a loss of 2 ticks per contract, and you can see that it continued to move higher. So the regular stop on this is 5 ticks per contract, but when you get an emergency exit, it saves you money because you don't have to wait to get stopped out at 5 ticks. It gives you a heads up that you are going to get stopped out, so better to get out now than later. Okay, there was a long trade here at 28.17, a little blip up, 7 ticks. Then another emergency exit here. You can see there's quite a few emergency exits here today. That's what I meant when I said that the system calmed down considerably. It's not customary to have this many emergency exits, but considering the performance of this system through last week and also through the first 3 days of this week, I'm not complaining. It goes without saying that at some point I had to slow down. And the profits on the non-emergency exit trades far outweigh the minuscule emergency exit loss. This was 2 ticks. Had another long here at 28.11, 12 ticks. Nice move here, along at 28.30, never look back. 24 ticks from the trigger to the high. Another emergency exit, and you can see once again saving. Told you to get out of your long right here. A loss of 1 tick per contract, and the market continued to go against you if you had seen a position. And these are the last 2 trades on the day. We had a long 28.50. That was 11 ticks from the trigger to the high. And then we had a long at 28.49, which was 8 ticks from the trigger to high. And of course, 10.30 rolled in, and that's our cutoff to stop trading the euro. So I thought it was, it was another great day. Don't get me wrong, but there were 5 emergency exits, and I'm glad it came because it allowed me to show you what to do with them, and also show you how valuable they are. It's not customary to get 5 or 6 emergency exits. Like I said, it was just this thing was on fire. So it was. So another good day, no question about it. And that's it for now. I'm going to do the S&P video probably in a couple of hours here. So have a good night and good luck on your trading tomorrow. I look forward to working with all you guys on the free trial.